Hello everyone, you are welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, you are also very much welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how I use carrot oil to grow my hair and my daughter's hair. So this recipe is for anyone who is experiencing hair loss, you're experiencing breakage, you're experiencing damage, or your edges are falling off. Then this recipe is for you. It's really good for retaining length and growing your hair. I will start off by grating my carrot using the tiniest part of the grater. The tinier it is, the easier it is for you to absorb all the ingredients from the carrot. So I will tell you few importance and the benefits of carrot to the hair. So we all know that carrot is really rich in vitamin E and vitamin A, and if you have deficiency of these two vitamins, that is when you start to experience hair loss. So that is really important, and carrot is really rich in that. Carrot is also very beneficial to the hair because it has antibacterial properties and it has healing properties as well. It adds a lot of moisture to your hair and your scalp. It also helps to retain new growth and also promote hair growth as well. It gives your hair a beautiful shine and also improves blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. So you can see that it is very good for your hair. And now let's talk about the benefit of ginger, which I have also just grated. Ginger helps to stimulate your scalp. It also helps to promote hair growth. It also helps to prevent and fight dandruff. Ginger prevents split ends, keeps your hair really conditioned. The nutrients, minerals and fatty acid in ginger contribute to the strengthening the strengthening of your hair and also combat hair loss. So you can see the two main ingredients are very beneficial to the hair. And also I'll be using olive oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. So you could use coconut oil or almond oil, is really up to you. I'm using half a cup of olive oil here. Just in case you are wondering, I didn't use all the carrots because I discovered it was too much. I will use it in my hair conditioning recipe, which I have in the description box. I will now be adding the Jamaican black castor oil in lavender. So if you've watched my other videos, you know I swear by this oil. This oil is really good in growing your edges and promoting hair growth. So I've added about 2 tablespoons to my mix. So if you can get hold of this, please do. Your hair will really love it. So the next ingredient I'll be using is fenugreek seed. So I have the powder here, which I'll be adding. I also have a lot of videos on my channel about fenugreek and how important they are. Please check them out and you will find out the benefit as well. So here we'll be doing the double boiler method to get our oil out of the carrot. I will leave this to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes, nothing more than that, so that we don't kill all the nutrients in the oil. So after about 10 minutes, I have taken my oil off the stove and I will be sieving the oil out of the carrot. Next, I will be adding my vitamin E oil. Even though carrot is rich in vitamin E, I decided to add extra. So I added about a teaspoon size, honestly just using my discretion. Next, I will be adding rosemary oil because it has similar properties to the others. It helps to grow your hair, it helps to fight dandruff, stimulate the scalp, give your hair a very good shine. I'm adding about 15 drops as well. I actually advise that don't just work with what I have said in this video, do your own personal research. I always do my research before I use anything on my hair. Don't just work with what people say on YouTube or on the internet. Finally, I'll be adding this green tea powder. So this is the powder I mentioned in my Ya Woman's rice water recipe. This is the powder they say they add to their water because it helps grow their hair. I also did my personal research, and a lot of people actually say yes, green tea powder actually helps to grow your hair as well. Since I have a lot left, I decided to add that to my recipe. I decided I'm going to be using it to add to my recipes as well, just to see if it makes any significant difference to my hair. So if you want to add that, by all means do. I will link it in the description box. But if you want to skip it, you can skip it, because I've used this recipe without this powder before and it works just fine. So I am transferring this to my applicator bottle, but I can't find my funnel, so I have to do this till I get everything inside the bottle. So I'll just cover and shake it just to make sure that all the ingredients just mix together. And the next step is to show you how I use this oil. So I will be showing you how I use this oil on my daughter's hair, but every ingredient I show on this channel, or every recipe I show on this channel, is child friendly because I use mostly natural ingredients. So whatever I use on my hair, I use on my daughter's hair. First, I start off with a freshly washed hair, and then I use my carrot leave-in conditioner, which is on my channel, and I'll link it in the description box. And then I follow up with a massage. I make sure that I massage the hair just to make sure that the product really gets into her scalp. Then I'll follow up with my Cantu leave-in conditioner, or any conditioner I'll be using that day. Then the final step is to apply the oil. So once I have all my conditioner in and I make sure that her hair is well conditioned, it is now time for me to apply the oil. So I start off by sectioning the hair from the back, and I put the front up in a bun, and I just use the oil to apply through the line and also through the hair. Once I have done that, I will use my fingers to just massage her scalp so that the oil really penetrates through the hair. And this is because we're trying to stimulate growth. I did apply a little to the hair itself just to give it a shine, but I am more interested in the scalp because I'm trying to stimulate growth. And then I will just go ahead and repeat the process all around the hair. After I have finished, I will put her hair in 4 plaits just to allow it dry before I style it. So this is the recipe, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't done that, and check other videos on my channel as well. I have a lot of hair videos you will find useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.